Hi everyone, welcome back to this craft corner. Today we're making a tote bag. So you want to start with your fabric. You can use whatever fabric of your choice. Just make sure that it's a little bit structured and it will hold the form of your tote bag. What you want to do is to put your fabric on fold. And now you're going to take out your measurements. I'm using 18 inches for the length and 13 inches for the width of my tote bag, so I'm just going to measure that out and cut it. So I'm going to cut my straps now, and my fabric is once again on fold. For the length of the strap, I'll be using 13.5, which means that once our strap is on full length, it would be 27 inches. So the length of the strap is 27 inches and the width is 4 inches. So now we have our straps and the main body of the bag cut out. This is what your strap should look like once it's full length. So you want to fold your strap into two and make a straight stitch down as indicated. So I'm going to fold in the edges that are left on my strap and run a straight stitch down to secure them. That gives me a clean finish for the straps. Once you're done stitching your strap, this is what it should look like. So now you want to have the body of your tote bag wrong sides together, and you're going to stitch both sides closed using a 1/4 of an inch allowance. Now you're going to turn your fabric wrong sides out. The reason we are doing this is because we want to do a French seam. The French seam hides all your raw edges, so that's the best for a tote bag that doesn't have a lining. So what we want to do now is run another stitch using 1/2 inch seam allowance on the sides of our bag. That way our raw edges are properly hidden. From the top part of the bag, mark out a 3 inches line and another 2 inches line. These lines serve as guidelines for the placement of our straps. Now from the side of the bag, you're going to mark out another 3 inches line. So we're going to place the edge of our strap on the 2 inches line, and it's going to be 3 inches away from the side of our bags. Then we're going to fold over the top edge of the bag as seen, and the top edge is going to be stopping on the 3 inches line. So as you can see, the edge of the strap is on the 2 inches line and the folded edge of the top of the bag is on the 3 inches line. Now we're going to go to the sewing machine and run the first top stitch using the 3 inches line as a guideline. Now we're going to run the second top stitch to secure our straps to the top of the bag. Once we're done with that, we're going to turn our bag right sides out. And this is what your seam is going to look like. Everything is clean and finished. So this is what your bag should look like once you're done. You can just, press it with an iron to straighten it out, and your bag is ready, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you all in the next video. Bye.